Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll explain you some useful tips for using VLOOKUP. Also, I'll explain you the uses of including match function and import range function in VLOOKUP. We will bring values of these two columns using VLOOKUP from this table. Let us write VLOOKUP function here equal to VLOOKUP. This is our search key. Log the column and the range is this table. Log the table. Index is this column, second column. To get the exact details, enter false here. Press enter. To get the location details, just drag the formula and change the index number manually. Instead of changing index number manually, we can use match function in VLOOKUP like this. Match function will find the exact position of a value within a range, which will help VLOOKUP to find the correct column index automatically. We have to use import range instead of normal range to perform VLOOKUP across two Google Sheets like this. Equal to VLOOKUP. This is our search key. Log the column. Write import range function here. Here we need to provide the URL of other sheet. Make sure that the URL is entered in double quotes. Here we have to provide the sheet name and range of the other sheet. Dump is the sheet name, followed by exclamation mark. Range is from A1 to I21. Index is 2 and enter false to get the exact values. Click on Allow Axis. Drag the function. Change the index number manually. This is how we can perform VLOOKUP in Google Sheet. Check out my channel for more tips and tricks.